This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Tuesday, September the 30th. Key points to go through is that we're looking at cooler weather today. It does look like we're going to continue with unsettled weather through much of the week, with some scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms here and there as well. And then we have another system that arrives for later this week, and that will bring another round of moderate to heavy rainfall to the area. Weather risk outlook, as you see here, mainly little to no impacts. The only concern is really Thursday night, possibly going into early Friday morning, up around the Sawtooth area, in the Stanley area, basically for the Wapiti burn scar. We could have some heavy rain possible there. Current satellite image for early this morning, looking at a big area of clouds associated with our cold front moving through the region. High temperatures today behind that front, generally in the 50s and 60s across most of the region. Lowest humidity today, generally still expected to be pretty high, generally in the 50s and 60s across much of the region. Highest peak wind gusts this afternoon, ranging from 15 to 25 miles per hour today. And then chance of precipitation mainly focused out across the southeastern highlands today, with some residual rain behind that cold front we could see there. Elsewhere, basically looking at scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms as well this afternoon. Expected rainfall amounts, heaviest rainfall is mainly in the southeast highlands, where we could see still an additional 1/4 inch of rain today. Elsewhere, rainfall amounts probably pretty light, generally 1/10 of an inch or less. Low temperatures tonight, generally slipping back into the 40s to right around 50 degrees most of the area. You are starting to see the highlands and the mountains cooling off quite a bit. Chances of precipitation for tonight, we are expecting another round of showers to move through the region during the overnight hours tonight. So that's why we're seeing these rain chances a little bit higher than what you might expect. And then rainfall amounts, what we will have come through should be pretty light, generally about 1/10 of an inch or less once again. High temperatures for tomorrow. Generally a little bit warmer across South and East Idaho, with temperatures in the 60s to right around 70 degrees. Perhaps a little bit cooler in the central mountains, with precipitation trying to line up a little bit more out that way towards Stanley. Humidity levels for tomorrow, a little bit drier across most of the region, but still generally in the 40s to right around 50%. Peak wind gusts, very similar to what we should see today, generally in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range across most of the region. And our chances of precipitation for the day tomorrow afternoon, generally looking at isolated to some scattered showers and thunderstorms still around. And rainfall amounts, once again, looking pretty light across most of the area. As we go into tomorrow night, temperatures will slip back into the 40s across most of the region. Chance of precipitation with yet another round of showers coming through the area, generally expected to be in the 20 to 50% chance, best chances for rain out by Stanley. And rainfall amounts, once again, looking pretty light tomorrow night, generally less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. High temperatures as we go into Thursday, very similar to what we should see on Wednesday. Generally temperatures in the 60s to right around 70 degrees across most of central and eastern Idaho. Lowest humidity levels on Thursday, generally in the 40s to around 50% or so, although southeast Idaho, the humidity levels could be a little bit lower. Peak wind gusts Thursday afternoon, generally 15 to 20 miles per hour across most of the region. And chances of precipitation on Thursday, yeah, you guessed it, just still keeping some pesky 20 and 30% probabilities around for most area, although there is a little bit of a better chance for rain showers up across the Island Park region as a little weak system passes through that area. And expected rainfall for Thursday, generally expected to be generally 1/10 of an inch and less once again. Keep in mind that bigger, heavier band of rainfall that we see coming in will be Thursday night, which I'm not showing here because there's still a lot of uncertainty with that. So just to summarize, cooler weather today, unsettled weather continuing through the week. We are looking at another fairly strong system arriving late in the week, and that could bring us another round for moderate to heavy rainfall to the area. So that concludes the briefing for this morning. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. Thank you.